What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. First here, I want to say a special happy new month shout out to each and every one of you. Man, you guys are so special, man. You guys are unique. You guys are just the best. There's nothing as sweet as having a family that really understand, despite the times we used to fight, quarrel. But trust me, this month is going to be win-win-win for each and every one of us. But we have to work hard. We have to ensure we put our heads high, set our right goals, set the right priority. When you wake up in the morning, try as much as possible to speak good things to yourself before leaving your house to your place of work. Anyway, this video is about Rudeboy. Yes, one of the twins from Psquare. Yes, he's already campaigning. He has already kicked off campaign for Peter Obi, who is one of the presidential aspirants, formerly PDP, now Labour Party. Anyway, drop your comment. What do you really think about this issue? Do you really think Rudeboy has the capacity to really encourage the youth and pull a massive crowd that will really support and vote for Peter Obi come 2023? Anyway, drop that in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy this little highlight of their upcoming US tour out in over 100 countries all over the
Psquare.